The Sunjoe MJ401E Pro electric lawnmower is a compact and highly efficient tool designed to make lawn care easier and more convenient. Powered by a robust 13-amp motor, this lawnmower delivers exceptional performance, making it perfect for small to medium-sized yards. The 14-inch steel blade ensures precise cutting, giving your lawn a neat and polished look every time. With its 3-position height adjustment feature, users can easily customize the grass cutting height to suit their specific preferences or seasonal requirements, ensuring optimal results year-round. One of the standout features of this electric lawnmower is its 10.6-gallon grass collection bag, which reduces the need for frequent emptying and keeps your yard free of clippings. Additionally, the side discharge chute offers a convenient alternative for disposing of grass, providing versatility based on your mowing needs. Its collapsible handle design is not only space-saving for storage, but also makes it easy to transport, adding to its practicality. The lightweight design and simple push-button start make it user-friendly, even for those new to lawn care. To maximize customer satisfaction, ensure the Sunjoe MJ401E Pro is used on dry grass for optimal performance. Regularly clean the blade and collection bag to maintain efficiency and longevity. Customers will appreciate the mower's eco-friendly, electric-powered design, which eliminates the need for gas or oil, reducing maintenance costs and environmental impact. For best results, follow the manufacturer's instructions for assembly and operation. With its combination of power, ease of use, and thoughtful features, this electric lawnmower is a reliable choice for keeping your lawn pristine. The SnapFresh cordless lawnmower is a versatile and convenient solution for maintaining a well-manicured lawn. Designed for effortless operation, this 14-inch electric lawnmower features a powerful brushless motor, ensuring efficient and quiet performance. Its cordless design, powered by a 20-volt 4.amp-hour rechargeable battery, eliminates the hassle of managing cords while offering the flexibility to maneuver around your yard with ease. Ideal for small to medium-sized lawns, the SnapFresh mower combines portability with reliable cutting power, making it a great choice for homeowners who value convenience and performance. This push lawnmower comes equipped with a 2-in-1 grass bag that allows users to either collect clippings for disposal or mulch them to nourish the soil, adding to its functionality. The lightweight design, combined with a comfortable ergonomic handle, ensures easy handling and less strain during prolonged use. With its compact size and foldable handle, the mower is easy to store in small spaces, making it an excellent option for homes with limited storage. The inclusion of a battery and charger ensures that you have everything you need to get started right away. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's recommended to charge the battery fully before the first use to maximize runtime. Regular cleaning of the blades and the grass bag will maintain the mower's efficiency over time. For the best results, mow dry grass and adjust the cutting height to suit the length and condition of your lawn. Following these tips and adhering to the manufacturer's guidelines will help you get the most out of your SnapFresh cordless lawnmower. With its blend of modern features, eco-friendly operation, and user-friendly design, this mower is a reliable tool for keeping your lawn in top condition. The built-hard gas lawnmower is a powerful and efficient choice for homeowners seeking a reliable tool for maintaining their lawns, yards, and gardens. Featuring a robust 144cc 4-cycle OHV engine, this gas-powered lawnmower delivers excellent cutting performance, making it ideal for tackling thick grass and uneven terrain. Its 20-inch cutting width allows for faster mowing, helping you cover more ground in less time. With 8 adjustable cutting heights, ranging from short trims to higher grass cuts, this mower ensures precise and customizable results to match your lawn care needs. Designed for durability and convenience, the built-hard mower combines a solid steel deck with a user-friendly push mechanism. The adjustable handle provides comfort during operation, reducing fatigue during extended use. The mower's compact design makes it easy to maneuver around tight corners and landscaping features, while its sturdy wheels enhance stability and traction on various surfaces. Whether you're maintaining a small backyard or a larger yard, This lawnmower provides consistent performance and ease of use. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's essential to follow some key guidelines. Before starting, check the oil and fuel levels to ensure smooth operation. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the deck and sharpening the blade, will prolong the mower's lifespan and maintain its cutting efficiency. Adjust the cutting height based on your lawn's condition and avoid mowing wet grass, as it can clog the mower and impact performance. Store the mower in a dry place to prevent rust and engine wear. By following these tips, users can enjoy the dependable performance of the built hard gas lawnmower for years to come. Its powerful engine, versatile cutting options, and durable design make it a valuable addition to any lawn care routine. The MZK 20-volt 30-inch cordless electric lawnmower is an innovative and efficient tool, perfect for maintaining small to medium-sized lawns with ease. Powered by two 4-hour batteries and a fast charger, this cordless lawnmower offers exceptional convenience and mobility, eliminating the hassle of cords or the need for gas. The compact and lightweight design ensures effortless maneuverability, making it ideal for homeowners who want a stress-free mowing experience. Its 13-inch cutting width is optimized for smaller yards, allowing for precise and efficient trimming even in tight spaces. One of the standout features of the MZK lawnmower is its 4-position height adjustment, which allows users to customize the grass cutting height according to their preferences or the season's needs. This flexibility ensures a polished and healthy-looking lawn every time. The mower's push design, combined with its ergonomic handle, makes it easy to operate while minimizing strain during extended use. The inclusion of 2 batteries ensures uninterrupted operation, while the fast charger keeps downtime to a minimum, so you can complete your yard work quickly and efficiently. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's important to fully charge the batteries before the first use to achieve maximum runtime. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the blade and deck after use, will help prolong the life of the mower and maintain its cutting efficiency. Use the mower on dry grass for the best results, and adjust the cutting height to match the condition of your lawn. Store the mower and batteries in a dry, cool place to preserve their functionality over time. With its user-friendly design, cordless convenience, and dependable performance, the MZK 20-volt cordless electric lawnmower is a smart choice for anyone looking to keep their lawn neat. The Works 40-volt 14-inch cordless lawnmower, WG779, is an excellent choice for homeowners with small yards, offering a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and convenience. Powered by 2 20-volt batteries, this 2-in-1 lawnmower provides a combined 40 volts of energy for reliable performance while maintaining quiet operation. Its 14-inch cutting deck is designed for precision, making it ideal for compact spaces and narrow pathways. With its lightweight and compact design, this mower is easy to maneuver, store, and transport, making yard work a hassle-free task. One of the standout features of the Works WG79 is its 6-position height adjustment, which allows users to tailor the cutting height to suit the specific needs of their lawn, ensuring a clean and polished appearance. The 2-in-1 design gives you the option to mulch clippings back into your lawn for natural fertilization or collect them in the grass bag for easy disposal. The included dual batteries and charger provide extended runtime and minimize downtime, allowing you to complete your yard care tasks efficiently. Additionally, the mower's quiet operation ensures a pleasant experience for everyone. To maximize customer satisfaction, ensure both batteries are fully charged before use for uninterrupted mowing. Regularly clean the cutting deck and check the blade for optimal performance. Adjust the height setting based on the condition of your lawn and avoid mowing wet grass to prevent clogging. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during operation, reducing fatigue, while its compact design ensures easy storage. By following these tips and adhering to the manufacturer's instructions, the Works 40-volt cordless lawnmower will deliver reliable, long-lasting performance. Its quiet operation, eco-friendly design, and ease of use make it an excellent tool for maintaining small yards.